For circle theorem number 2, it says in a semicircle, the angle opposite to the center is at right angle. Now, when we talk about semicircle, it means a diameter is involved. So we should see a line from one part of the circumference going through the center to the other part of the circumference. That's the diameter. And that tells us that we have two semicircles. If you see my fun fact video about circles, you will see that. So in this semicircle, the angle that is opposite or across from the center is at 90 degrees. So it's not these two angles, These two angles would be next to the center. It will be formed next to the center. So the one that is opposite or subtended. So it is almost similar to the first circle theorem where it says the angle at the center is twice the angle on the circumference. Now we know that angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degrees. So if this is 2 times this, then this obviously must be 90 degrees. So angle at the center is twice the angle on the circumference. But in exam, once you get this diameter in the diagram, then you don't use the first circle theorem. You will just say in the semicircle, the angle opposite to the center is 90 degrees. Now, how do we apply this theorem? Now, if we look on this question, this angle is 33, and we need to find x. But you must be saying to yourself, but we don't know this angle. Sure we do. We know it because here we have a diameter, so it means that this is a semicircle. The angle opposite to the center is at 90 degrees. All right, so this is 90 and this is 33. That gives you 123. So we know based on triangle property that the sum of the interior angles equal to 180. So we subtract 180 from the sum of 90 and 33. 90 and 33 give us 123. So 180 minus 123 will give us 57 degrees. And that's it for circle theorem number 2.